Some important medicinal benefits of hibiscus flowers. It is rich in antioxidants. It contains anthocyanins which help in clearing fat from the blood. This flower, which contains copious amounts of vitamin C, boosts the immune system. It improves liver function and helps in curing liver diseases. And today we will use it in a medicine to eliminate liver fat and heat. It purifies the blood and reduces body heat due to its cooling effect. It is rich in antioxidants that can help prevent cancer. How to use it as medicine? Stay with us. We have another unique ingredient for making medicines, dried plums. Let's learn about the benefits of dried plums and their role in liver health. It is a treasure trove of nutrients, which quickly corrects the digestive system due to its anti-constipating properties. It is rich in fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, which play a key role in heart health, bone strength, treating anemia, and balancing blood sugar. It is considered an excellent natural remedy for liver health. Its cooling effect and antioxidants help in relieving various liver problems. Dried plums is highly effective in reducing excess heat and inflammation of the liver, which makes the body feel light. It plays a very important role in cleansing the liver. Its use helps in the removal of toxins from the liver, which helps the liver function better in its natural state. It has been used for jaundice for centuries. Liver disease or heat often causes a bitter taste in the mouth. Dried plums eliminate this condition. Our next important ingredient for this medicine is radish. Radish is a vegetable, but due to its properties, we benefit from its benefits for liver heat and other problems. Let's see the properties of radish. Radish is a natural and very beneficial vegetable for the liver that detoxifies the liver, reduces fatty liver, and is very effective in jaundice. It reduces inflammation by removing toxins from the liver and activates the digestive system by balancing the production of bile. The antioxidants present in radish help in reducing liver inflammation. Radish prevents the accumulation of fat in the liver, which reduces the symptoms of fatty liver. The antioxidants present in radish help reduce liver inflammation. Considering these benefits, we include it in medicine. Tragacanth gum is a natural gum known for its cooling and nourishing properties. It provides energy by relieving physical weakness, fatigue, and nervous weakness. It helps reduce heat in the liver and bladder and helps detoxify the liver, which improves liver function. It has also been used for centuries for liver inflammation.
It relieves constipation and, being rich in fiber, keeps the digestive system healthy, which reduces the burden on the liver. It helps in relieving weakness and fatigue by improving liver function. With this, we have introduced all the ingredients used in our medicine. Now we can make the mixture. Take a glass of water and add to dried plums to it along with a spoon of hibiscus. Leave these ingredients to ferment in the glass overnight. In this way, place a half-inch piece of tragacanth gum in half a glass of water and leave it. In the morning, strain the water in which these ingredients are kept and add the radish to this water and blend it with a blender. Now that it is well mixed, add the gum of the astragalus and mix it well, then drink it. Remember that this medicine should be taken before breakfast. If you have weakness in your body, skip one day and drink it. You will notice a difference after at least 10 days of use. Subscribe to the channel to get more benefits from herbs and prepare medicine. Nature Cures 0020.